Hey everyone, welcome back to Emerge Kenya TV. Thank you so much for being here and for your support. And today we have something truly special to share with you. We are taking you on an exclusive tour of a remarkable project by the 47 Investment Company. It's a stunning 4-bedroom home on a generous 226 square meters of space. Let's start with the exterior. The attention to detail is evident from the moment you lay your eyes on this home. From the carefully chosen materials to the thoughtfully landscape surroundings, every aspect is designed to impress. This home is located in Utawala in Nairobi, just next to the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. And if you're looking to build a home in Kenya or don't have an idea where to start, please contact the 47 Investment Company. They'll work with you and direct you and make sure all your dreams come true. As we step inside, you immediately notice the seamless flow of the living spaces. The semi-open concept design creates a welcoming atmosphere, perfect for both entertaining and everyday living. And now let's step into the heart of this home, a spacious kitchen designed by the 47 Investment Company that features a double sink for efficiency, a walk-in pantry providing ample storage, stunning white cabinets with a bold backsplash for timeless elegance and modern style, all complemented by generous counter spaces, creating the perfect mix of functionality and style. The kitchen opens up to this laundry room that you can set up your washer and dryer. We are now in the backyard of this home, and just imagine the possibilities and the memories that can be created in this place. Hey, are you still watching? Please let us know at the comment section what you think about this kitchen. This is also a good time to hit that like button, to share this video out with family and friends, and to subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you so much. Keep watching. This is the guest half bathroom, and this is good use of space as it utilizes the space under the staircase. And now let's explore the bedrooms. There are 4 spacious retreats, each with its own character and charm, and all fully en suite. And we will start with this guest bedroom. And now let's ascend the staircase crafted by the 47 Investment Company, where natural light beats the space through expansive windows, creating an airy ambience. The journey is not just vertical, it's a visual delight. And now to the second bedroom of this house. Notice those colorful inbuilt wardrobes, the big window that allows a lot of natural light, and of course the enough space. All the bathrooms in this house come with a standard finishing, but the 47 Investment Company can customize it to your liking. And now stepping into the third bedroom of this extraordinary home built by the 47 Investment Company. Beyond its cozy interior, this bedroom offers a unique feature, a private balcony that opens up to stunning views of the backyard, making it a perfectly treat for rest and relaxation. The bathroom is almost identical to the one that we toured in the second bedroom, so we won't be touring this one. And guys, have you noticed the storage spaces and shelves on your left? But wait, there's more. This home comes with a hidden gem, a secret room. And here's a twist. The entrance is cleverly disguised as a bookshelf. Let's take a closer look. This is not just a room. It is a space created for imagination and privacy, with a balcony that faces the front yard of the house. Whether it's a personal library, home office, or a hideaway for relaxation, the possibilities are endless. And now to the master suite of this remarkable home built by the 47 Investment Company. This master bedroom comes with a walk-in closet, seamlessly combining space and style. It also comes with an ensuite bathroom adorned with standard modern fixtures. For me, it's the noticeable corner window, bathing the suite in natural light and offering panoramic views. And now welcome to the flat roof space. This is an elevated retreat where modern designs meet unobstructed panoramic views. This versatile space serves as a private oasis, ideal for outdoor gatherings or a peaceful escape. Imagine lounging beneath the open sky, enjoying breathtaking sunset, and creating unforgettable moments in this haven. Now you might be wondering about the cost. This incredible 4-bedroom home with all its features and the secret room was constructed by the 47 Investment Company at just 8.6 million Kenya shillings. And there you have it, guys, a glimpse into the exceptional work of the 47 Investment Company. If you have been looking for a company that combines luxury, functionality, and affordability, look no further. Don't forget to like this video, to leave us a comment, to subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell for more exclusive tours like this one. Until next time, have a good one, be safe, be kind, and cheers. Bye-bye.